Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with director Carson. For the next of Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 5. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. My fair Sticksy. Hey, what's going on? Meteor showers?
Meteors are shooting stars. We shouldn't be running. We should be making wishes. I wish for a pony.
And I wish you'd take cover.
Phew, they almost got to explode into a smithereens.
Should I use my meteor defense system? You have a meteor defense system? I have defense systems for all sorts of junk. Wildfires, floods, people trying to meet my thoughts.
Yeah, start with the meteor one.
Slap, slap, slap.
The people trying to read my thoughts one is exactly the same, but with tinfoil trim.
Just pretend to be Slap the Meteor from Stick's
Someone
invention.
left this at my house.
Yeah, the mailman. It's a letter.
Letter, huh? I don't know. Paper folded over itself. What's it hiding? What's it hiding? Sticks, you've been nominated for an Awardy Award. You really need a better name for that thing.
Ooh, let me see. Oh, wait, I can't read. Give me that. In honor of saving our village, the mayor cordially invites you to the awardees. Huh. Conveniently, you may also bring your 4 closest pals.
Why is he here?
Sorry, Comedy Chimp. Now, where was I? The awardees will be at the mayor's mansion. You'll dine on elegant food and mingle with elegant guests. After which the awardee award will be awarded to the winner, which could be you.
I can't make it. What? Why not? Well, you know, I'm slam this week. See, tomorrow, rummage through garbage. Wednesday, rummage through garbage. Thursday, get tetanus shot. Friday, rummage through garbage. Look solid. This is the honor of a lifetime. Yeah, you might even win a shiny trophy. You love shiny things. I do love shiny things. But no. Now, Sticks, are you afraid to go? Afraid? No, of course not. No way. Nope. A little. Sticks, there's nothing to fear. Look at me. I'm a feral badger. I'll embarrass myself.
Who cares what people think? Yeah, everyone at these parties is a windbag anyway. What a robust mustache you have, Colonel Grumpkin. Why, thank you, Madam Stinkbottom.
That's funny.
I'll teach you to be a lady. A lady? That's the thing that holds garbage, right? No. A lady is a polite, sophisticated member of society. And you can be that. Lesson 1, don't discuss garbage. I'm out. Come on, you can do this. Okay, I'll try. Great. A proper lady requires an escort for the gala.
Why is he still here?
Why do I even bother with you guys? No.
Please, I don't want to embarrass myself in front of fancy folk.
Fine. But I'm not wearing pants.
Thank you. Thank you. If you
Sonic
want to
said,
win,
"You're
you
welcome."
have to train hard. You up for it? Yes. I only have one question. Can I take this snail with me?
Yeah.
When meeting someone new, start with a compliment. Try saying something nice about their perfume.
What's Sticks doing? Sniffing?
And go. This is my male consort. And if you don't like it, I'll knock you out. No, Sticks. Ladies don't fight. When in doubt,
Heavy tea party with Amy and Sticks. That's fun.
one, two, step, 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, step.
Good.
Why is the music controlling fingers. I'm not your puppet, music master. I'm not your puppet.
Oof.
Yeah, I think
Man,
pretty.
that's not right. Here goes nothing.
It's my pleasure to introduce the Lady Styx and her escort, Sir Sonic of Hedgehog. Go ahead, you can do it. Start with a compliment. What an elegant scent.
Finally, some chow. No. Asparagus crostini, hemp seed quiche, goat cheese with red radicchio spread.
The hoity-toity stiffs love these tiny nibbles.
Uh-oh, gotta go.
Ugh, more like goat cheese and a red radicchio spread.
My dear chap, what a marvelously comical witticism.
Red radicchio spread?
Hey, that's my laugh. You both.
You have the audacity to say what we're all thinking. You simply must join us.
Me? Okay. Red radicchio spread.
Now you seem prepared for winter. That's one healthy layer of blubber.
Well, I never.
Sticks?
What? It was a compliment. It's not like I said she wasn't prepared for winter.
Welcome to the Awardee Award, where we award an Awardee Award for award-winning status. Tonight, one of you nominees will be awarded your very own Awardee Award. That's it, I'm firing my speechwriter.
Check out that ridiculous hat.
Antler with a hat?
It's the official hat of the Jackalope Lodge, of which I am president.
I saw the picture.
But upon closer inspection, it does look asinine.
What is this?
It's your pre-salad, post-soup, mid-appetizer, post-cocktail, tertiary thimble fork.
Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. Evil genius coming through.
Eggman, what are you doing here?
How did you get nominated? Let's just say I had a loyal base of supporters.
Finally, a use for my knowledge.
I mean, under Eggman. Gotta learn my
You
brain.
look familiar. Do I know you?
Start with a compliment. You have healthy hindquarters.
Why, thank you.
I actually
That's
started
nice.
taking spin classes.
Oh, man.
See that, Shelley? That's how a lady slurps soup from a bowl.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to announce this year's winner. And the awardee goes to
Who is it?
Leroy the Turtle. Yes! Yahoo! Score one for Leroy.
Leroy the Turtle? That award was mine! Something smells fishy here. I have irritable bowel syndrome. If you won't give me the award, I'll take it. With my ballot stuffing robot. Stufferbot, stop their ballots.
Favors? Really? I know what is that.
This is not quite as menacing as I'd hoped. Minions, attack!
Sticks, get him!
A lady doesn't fight.
That's how I know you.
What the? What is that? Find things of trap things. I don't know.
That's it. I'm sick of being proper. Time to get primal.
Way to go, Sticks.
Give us a pound, dear chap.
Yeah. And that too. Stick, finish him.
I'll be back, and next time I'll bring more balance. More balance!
Sonic will see about that.
Leroy, you may have won the award, but I think we can all agree that today, I was the real hero.
Yes, but I won the award.
Give me the shiny.
Stay cool and keep rocking that bow tie.
Thanks for saving our skin, Sticks. I guess it isn't always proper to be proper. Yeah, it's following the old instincts. Think you can teach me how to do that? Sure.
Wait, what? The dumpster? Gross. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 5, by Fair Sticksy, The End. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe, so I'll make some more videos. So, goodbye.